Well, some top brass from Washington, D.C. came to Cleveland Heights this afternoon to learn from women how they feel about the health care coverage they have for their families. News Channel 5's John Kosick was there. And John, how did these women get the ear of Washington?
Well, in this case, they reached out to Sherrod Brown. Sherrod Brown reached out to Secretary of Health and Human Services Sebelius and came to Northeast Ohio, a coffee klatch type setting. But based on last year's issue 3 vote, this is still a hot topic in the state. In front of a small crowd, Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius discusses the benefits now being realized as we approach the 2-year anniversary of the passage of the health care reform law. Sebelius and Senator Sherrod Brown heard from local residents like Angie. She described her son's 2 battles with cancer, and the problems he would have faced now at 21 and still in school as a cancer survivor.
He now knows that he can be under our coverage until he's 26, and hopefully in the future he'll be able to get gainfully employed and he won't be rejected because of a pre-existing condition.
Ohio, though, is a state where voters last fall solidly voted in favor of issue 3, which blocks the federal government from forcing Ohioans to buy health insurance.
Making sure that Ohioans understand, even if the state doesn't want to put together a state-based exchange, we are directed by the law to have that exchange available for citizens in Ohio come 2014 at the federal level. So people in Ohio will have advantages of the bill one way or the other.
Brown has come under fire for his support of health care reform. He's even been targeted by the U.S. Chamber of Commerce in this ad for what they call his deciding vote for Obamacare. Brown today said he is not surprised by the attacks.
There's a lot of outside money in this state, oil company money, insurance company money, saying a lot of things. But when people in their living rooms and in their senior centers sit down and talk about, oh, that new health care law, it did this for my mom, it did this for my son, I think all those TV ads are just background noise.
Well, noise or not, it will be one of the underlying themes as Brown battles for a second term this fall in the U.S. Senate. On your side, John Kosick, News Channel 5.